Let's start off with specifically the moves that we've seen today. And I'm curious as to whether you think that this pullback we're seeing is about valuation, or is it about the economy, or what?
I think it's very much about where the markets have been recently and a correction to that. Look, we've had these huge momentum-based moves, and they make sense that we're having these huge momentum-based moves, but at some point you do have to have a little bit of give back. And I think today's volatility is very much a market phenomenon more than a reflection on the big picture. I do think there's a lot of interesting things happening big picture-wise, but I think today it's all about the fact that we've had this fast, furious move and a correction.
We had Barry Bannister on earlier really talking to us from Stifel about how when you see this sort of rotation that perhaps we might get in a longer term format now, it's never going to happen easily, and there will be distortions and disruptions to the market. Charles, do you see this pain trade happening as we move potentially more longer term from growth into value?
I don't know that it's so much pain as it is really, really bumpy. I think we're in for a couple of months where the markets won't necessarily have a big direction to them, but could have a lot of swings, near term, without a lot of overall change in valuation levels. So, I think we're in such a volatile period in terms of cross currents on what is impacting the market and what's impacting investors and what's impacting the economy, that you're going to have 5% swings, 10% swings, up and down, and then no overall direction for maybe a couple of months.